So I got a lumber order here. Just waiting on the customer. I texted him I arrived here. I'd already talked to him at the store. Said he was 35 minutes away. Now he says he was 10 minutes away. So I went ahead and wrapped up the truck. Got the straps that I didn't need all rolled up and strapped back down, and then moved the truck over because I'm on a single lane road. So I still have one whole side of the truck of lumber to pick off of. So I got one side off, moved the truck over, and I got just one side left. So now, once he gets here, I'll just be able to drop this and then go over there and grab the rest and then drop it. But yeah, don't just sit around and wait. Do what you can until the customer gets there. That way you got less to do when it's time to leave. And it looks like he's pulling in now, so. But he's got some longer lumber here. I'm not sure how this was delivered, but it looks like it's too long for the short truck. So we'll see what the deal is. How you doing?
Good, thanks for waiting.
Yeah, I had to move the truck. Got to get to the other side too. I said I had some time to maneuver the truck around because I got this off, and now I had to pick off the other side of the truck. So I had a little work to do while you were getting here. Where am I headed with this? You got a spot? You want it?
We're building that garage where the slab is. I don't know if you can get.
I need 8.5 feet. Is it close? Do you have another gate? Oh no. Okay. Let me see. Go through. Sorry, camera back set up. I'm gonna lift the lumber up so I can see where my tires are at, so I don't run into nothing. I gotta look above me too, so I don't hit the any power lines. What's that pipe in the ground right there? What is that?
I'm not sure.
Okay, let's not set anything there.
Yeah, I just put it right.
Okay. I don't know what's underground in a lot of these places, so yeah. I was going across this guy's property one time. It looked just like this, and he didn't know he had a water leak under his property. My right tire fell halfway into the ground. I mean, it was up to the middle of the hub, and it's just like, you know, there was no sign of water at all. Yeah, because I can use the forks and push myself back out. But the way it looked, it didn't look like I was going to. And the way it felt, good kid. It caught me so by surprise, you know. All right, the other lumber's a lot longer, so it's gonna be a little more challenging. I gotta somehow get it by that Joshua tree. You want to try to get it over here too?
As long as they're on this side of the fence, I don't really care.
Okay. I got a little pallet of parts I'm gonna grab first. Tiny pallet like that. Alright, well I got two Joshua trees in the way, one in the gate and then one inside the fence. So might have to do some trickier maneuvering here. Right now I'm just grabbing some parts that are on this tiny, ridiculous pallet. You want this up by the door or something? Yeah. Oh, he wants to leave this outside, so we're gonna put it up here. Do a little curbside or an Amazon delivery here. Put it by his door. Alright. Now for the challenging part. Not 100% sure how I'm going to do this yet. Get past this tree. I don't think the forklift is going to go high enough. How it works between this fence there. I don't know if I can turn myself through there or not, but I got my forks spread wide, so try to keep this thing from teetering too much. I need to side shift right here. Way off. Let's see. That's pretty close. As close as I'm gonna get. Take a couple extra stickers with me over there. These streets are going uphill to my right, so it's hard to figure out when you're level or not. down to my left, you can see the whole city. You look up and I see mountains, so. I took that into consideration here when you're picking off your truck, trying to find your level. So I got no power lines. See how high my forklift can go here. I might just make it. I'm like a foot off. I'm gonna have to dance through it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little. I'm gonna just turn in and then back myself in. I know not to hit those things. People freak out if you touch them. So what I did is I just danced through that gate there. I probably should have had the camera farther out so you can see what I did, but I'm going to do the same thing over here. My angles around this tree. Alright. Now I gotta turn around and set it down and take it out of here. So I can get it all the way over there. Is that where you want it? Yeah. I got a gas line on my left. All these houses are powered by propane. Okay. That's about going to be it there. Some room by the fence there. All right. It doesn't always work out like that. Grab my photos real quick. And just gotta snap one more photo of my little palette. that was it. That's all I got.
Okay.
How did they get those things here?
Huh?
How did they get those long things here?
How did they? On a flatbed?
Really? On this size?
Huh?
On this size truck? How long are those beams?
The 30 foot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is only a 22-foot truck.
It might have been a bigger one.
Yeah. Huh,
I
interesting.
thought it said Home Depot on it, but
Oh, really?
maybe not. Thank you.
Interesting.
Thanks a
Oh,
lot.
thank you.
Man.
Appreciate
Thank
it. All right.
you. Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that.
I appreciate you waiting.
Yeah, no, by the time you got here, I'd already done all the necessary stuff to get me ready to get out of here, so we're good to go. Thank you. All right. That's one of the more challenging deliveries there. You got to learn how to walk your forklift through gates and use that back, utilize the back tire that turns at a 90. So you can get yourself in a gate with longer lumber like that. But that's it for this one. Give me a like or subscribe if you like that video, and leave me a comment if you want. All right, guys, see you in the next one.